What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. Yeah, back for another Nike outlet video, guys. At the Citadel out in Los Angeles. Let's go see what's up, you guys. Let's see what's up. Those of you guys from LA and those of you who have been watching my outlet, yeah, the Citadel outlet that pretty much is the most packed Nike outlet in LA. So yeah, let's see what's up, you guys. They have been having heat though. They've been having heat, so let's hope for some of that. Good luck. As usual, line. At least there's not a line out. A lot of times there's a line out all the way over here, so at least there's not a line. Let's go find some steals. Let's go pray for some steals. Right through the aisles as usual. It's kind of crazy lately here. But yeah, let's see what's up. Let's see. We're in the size 10. Size Mellow 13s. I showed you guys. They are back at the outlets. This is size 9. Oh, okay. Usually they have plenty of sizes, but yeah. Mellow 13s. These look, if you can get a clean copy, if you get a clean pair, this is pretty dope. Pretty dope. I don't know about 159 though. We saw these go down all the way to 100. There's 20% off the hash wall here. 20% off everything on clearance. This is the funny stuff. Look, like it's size 11, 109. Size 11, 85. Dang, these clots are going down 85, and you get that 20% off. Damn, that's what's up. Damn, like no matter what Nike outlet I've been to lately, man, they get all kinds of new stuff like the Kobe ADs. Look at this, Kobe's. I don't know. Are these the same as the Jordan 33s where they're super narrow? I don't know. We're going for retail. Get the 30% off, size 20% off. My bad, size 10. The Air Force Max 2s going for a 110. 110. This is a size 7.5. I don't know what's in the size 10 section, but yeah. Like, these look small. But yeah, I do think these look a little better than the Air Force Max 1s. Probably a lot more breathable material. Got that. Still has that strap for that extra support. Go for 110. Get that. Kind of, but still in size 10, 9s, 8s, man. They're all kind of mixed together here. This place is so crowded. PG3, the TBs. Oh, I guess the blue and white color we're going for. There's no way those are going for retail. I don't know what they go for, but it's 20% off. LeBron 10 John Elliott, size 9. The gold colorway going for retail, I guess. We've seen these go for 200. Like 20 or 30% off, whatever, but yeah. For 200, I guess 250, I guess, get that 20% off. I guess they just have a bunch of size 9s for these, right? Dang it, it's the LeBron 17 9-9. I'm sorry, the LeBron 17 win-win. Okay. Now people are loving this colorway, some people are. I don't know, I'm not the hugest fan. Not the hugest fan, but yeah, good. 2 1/4. Hey, that one's more than the regular 2 1/4. 20% off of it. Jordan 1 low react, the fearless ones. Go for retail. Size 8.5. We do have a whole lot of those mellows, man. Got a whole lot of them. They're all size 9 though. All size 9. We probably got a big shipment of size 9s. Well, I saw this colorway. I was like, what? Never seen this at the outlet, but yeah, go for retail. It's probably a return. Get that 20% off at least. Some more John Elliott's, man. We've seen so many of these. This is size 9.5. I'm size 11s, but yeah, look at this. Yeah, going for 2 1/4 though. At least you get 20% off. Animal Pack 3s, man. We've seen so many of these Jordan Animal Pack 3s. Size 8, money size too. I've seen so many of these at the outlets. That's just crazy. Every outlet we go to, we see at least one of these. Crazy. Go for retail, at least you get that 20 off. No matter what time you come here, this place is hella crowded. Tourist trap. So yeah, look, I'm in the size 11. I got a size 7 in here. And then what size is this? And we got a size 9. Both go for the Air Max 97 clocks. Go for 110. Which is weird because that other one said like 89 or something. I don't know. So 20% off. These are pretty dope. Look at that, some blazer. I've never even seen these. Got real buck leather on the sides, and then got snakeskin. I've never seen this. Hella clean, dude. Hella clean. I could already see myself having issues with the toe box, man. There's just not enough room in there. But yeah, man, hella clean, dude. What does these have resale value? Because I've never seen these. That's crazy. Not much in size 11, 12. We're just going straight to 13s because it's just way too packed here. Still got the GP lows. $52. $52. Get 20% off on top of it. Size 13, these daybreaks. Hella clean, man. Hella clean. Go for $80. Normally 100, $80, and you get 20% off. Super clean. Not bad. Not bad, guys. Well, size 13 areas, but this size 15, man. They're trying to get retail for these Air Force One blacks. That's crazy. I forgot to show you guys. I am wearing my Jordan 2s. Jordan 2 Mellows. Dope color, man. I got these bad boys at the Jordan flagship store for hella cheap. You should check out that video. We fighting crowds too much in the clearance section. Let's go check out the aisles, guys. Check out the aisles. Apparently, these Odyssey Rack 2 fly nets are all going for $69 now. That's a new outlet price, I guess. $69 everywhere. Most of the colorways too. Yeah, still going. I think this is the last one. Not bad, good price, guys. Right after I say that, I turn around and I see a bunch of them go for $90 as well. So I guess it depends on the colorway. I might check my old sneakers out, man. Man, these look dope though, dude. Like the sound profile even more. Damn. Kind of wonder if I should get one just because, man, this is going for 40. I think that's what I paid for my baby blue ones. Lakers colorway, up tempo 95, going for $60, 20% off. That's like $42. Oh no, my bad. That's not. No. My math is all terrible. My bad. That is $48 though. $48. Still solid deal. Still solid deal. Nah, man, unless that drops to 42, I ain't getting it, man. 48, that's all right, but 42 is even better. That's how much I paid for mine. This one might be a little more comfortable than mine, though, because this is not patent leather. This is just, it's a wannabe suede, or a nubuck, but it looks like a synthetic leather. But yeah, because the patent ones are hella tight right there, and they got to loosen up. It takes a while. I've only worn them a few times, too, so. 8 all the way to 13s, man. That's what's up. That's what's up. All right. These ain't bad. Not feeling the TNs. So apparently it does mean tuned air. Thank you so much. I forgot who told me on in the comment section, but someone did tell me what it meant, and I looked it up, and yeah, apparently they changed the PSIs and stuff. Yeah, appreciate you guys letting me know. $60. And you get that 20% off, $48. These Alpha Dunks, man, they are dropping in price like crazy. Look at that. The only colorway they don't have here is the Oreo colorway. That's crazy. LeBron 16 Miami colorway. All right. You really selling these for retail? That's crazy. These are interesting. I've never seen these. 720 Waves. The DMSX ones. Oh, interesting. Never seen those. All right, let's go check out the upstairs, man. This is that line I was telling you about. It's that line. It's the pre-line to get into the line. That's crazy. We're gonna go check out the women's section, which is upstairs. We'll check the kids real quick. I'll see if it's a waste of time or not, because sometimes the kids section kind of sucks. But yeah, I'll check it out. But yeah, good opportunity for me to remind you guys to go ahead, press that like button, and also subscribe, you guys, if you're new to my channel. More lines and more lines. More lines upstairs, man. Lines are crazy here. I'm in the women's section. Look what I see in the women's section. It's a size 6. It looks like it's a kid's. Oh, it's a men's 6. What the hell? But yeah, that's interesting. Size 6. Size what? 7.5 for the women. And look, $90, man. $90, and you get 20% off. That's what's up. What's up? If your kid wants a pair of sneakers like this, the Enlightenments. First time I've seen these at the outlets. Jordan 7s. These are the patent ones. Came out 2 months ago. Surprised to see these, huh? Another pair of kid shoes. Air Force Ones. I look clean though. 7Ys, which is what, 8.5 for women's. excuse me, super. We got these Pegasus 35 turbos. $100, man, not bad. 20% off on top of it. We saw these deconstructed was it the Vandals or something? Vandalized, my bad, the Vandalized. Go for $60. Interesting pair. Thinking about that. I used to see them a little bit high, man. 75 for these Epic React Finder 2s. A little bit high. We saw them cheaper in the guys. Oh, but you did get that 20% off, so I guess it does make it cheaper. And then Epic React Finder 2s, these are going for $110, man. Kind of high. The clearance section is crazier than the guy section, so yeah, check out the owls, guys. Do got the tailwinds, get that extra 20% on, not bad. Got these funky joy rides. This one came out with a bunch of different ones. This one has a zipper. And it's fully encased, which that's interesting. I guess they're all fully encased though. $80. Olive going for $110. Air Max 97. That's pretty decent for the Vomero 14s. These are super comfortable. $80. Get 20% off. Pegasus 35 for those of you ladies want comfortable sneakers, man. Supposedly running sneakers, but they're hella good for just casual wear. $60, man. 50% off. These going for $85, man. Why are these so expensive? These as well, like, see what the guys section was way better than the girls. Women's today, that's weird. And the guys, they had a bunch of these going for $69, man. Most of them are going for $90 right here, man. That's crazy. This is the Phantom version, which no laces, but damn, $95 for these. That's crazy. It's currently 7 o'clock, man. This place is a freaking zoo. Yeah, not much in the women's section. The kids had even less. So yeah, let's go see what's up downstairs again. All right, I'm kind of done fighting crowds, you guys. We're gonna head out. We're gonna call it a day. Wrap things up, you guys. So it's the crowd I was talking about, you guys. That line right there, and then we got a secondary line right there to get into the line. Look at all the people coming up and down. That's just crazy. Yeah, that's enough. I'm out. Wrap it up. Thank you so much for making it to the end of the video, you guys. Yeah, that was interesting. The crowds were just crazy, guys. I couldn't handle it towards the end. I just want to get the hell out of there. But yeah, not a terrible trip. Not a terrible trip. I'm telling you, every clearance section lately has had all kinds of crazy heat. Like, I don't know if people are just returning everything because they're making too many. I don't know. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you guys smash that like button. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and make sure you guys press that subscribe button. Make sure you guys click on that notification bell as well, because I do come up with a lot of videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for watching and making it to the end. Peace. Finally get to go home. Done for the day. More vlogging tomorrow. Of course. Tired. It's cold too.